Custodial sentences are where an offender is sentenced to spend a period of time in custody. For adult offenders, this time will be served in prison. Types of custodial sentences include 1. Discretionary, 2. Mandatory, 3. Minimum, 4. Suspended, and 5. Life sentences. The majority of offenses are subject to a discretionary sentence. This means the judge or magistrate may exercise choice in the sentence they pass. The maximum sentence applicable to the offense is generally set by statute. The judge or magistrate will follow the sentencing guideline to arrive at an appropriate sentence for a particular offender based on the aggravating and mitigating factors. A mandatory sentence is one which must be passed. The judge has no choice. For example, the mandatory life sentence applicable to murder under Section 1 of the Murder, Abolition of Death Penalty, Act 1965. Minimum sentences mandate a judge to pass a sentence over a specified amount. Examples include a minimum of 7 years imprisonment for an adult convicted of trafficking, supplying or producing Class A drugs for the third or subsequent time, and a minimum of 3 years imprisonment for an adult convicted of a domestic burglary for the third or subsequent time. A suspended custodial sentence is a way of giving an offender a last chance to reform their behavior. A custodial sentence of up to 2 years will be passed. This will be subject to a period during which it is suspended, which is also up to 2 years. If the offender is of good behavior during the period of suspension, they do not go to prison. If, however, they commit any further crimes during that period, they will go to prison and serve the sentence given, in addition to any new sentence for the later crime. A life sentence means the offender is subject to a sentence for the rest of their life. This does not mean all of the sentence will be served in prison, but in extreme cases this can be the case. The trial judge sets a minimum tariff applying the factors set out in Schedule 21 of the Sentencing Act 2020. When the minimum sentence is served, the parole board will make a decision on whether to release the offender, or if they are considered to still present a danger, they will remain in prison until a positive review is made. Once released, the offender remains on license for life and subject to monitoring by the probation service. In summary, custodial sentences are where offenders undergo a loss of liberty and are required to spend a period of time in custody. Different types of custodial sentences exist, and the sentence imposed will depend on what offense has been committed and, in some instances, whether they have committed the offense before. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website, which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.